Hello everyone, Jeffery Krueger here. I have this sizing die. It's tapered. You can see I have some bluing on there, so I know which end is up and down. And I have schist cast almost 300 lead bullets for 45 ACP, and I do have some that have been fired once and I have to resize them, so that's what I'm doing here. See how snug that is? And I have this Arbor Press that I really enjoy. This makes life real nice. You can really feel this. I know that there's a lot of lights in the way there. There's a lot of presses that take the primer out and do this at the same time, but I can really feel this, and I really like. I just like this. And I have an older press that I use, so it doesn't really have a sizer like this on it, so I'm going to just show you how I do this. This has a really nice rod that goes around where the primer was, and I just sort of, oops, I can just feel that come right out real nice there like that. And there we go. There it is. And once I've run it through that, I did use some lubricant that's dry. I'll wet wash that off. But once I've put this shell through that process, really goes nice. Just here's the checker. Drops right in real nice. And it measures out to specifications real nice. Like I say, these have been fired once, these shells that I'm doing here now, and I'm giving them a chance to be fired again because I'll be reloading them. Here's one of the brand new pieces of brass that I purchased 200 of that I'll be loading, and after I run these spent cartridges through this die, they measure out real nice with that high-end brass that I bought, and I really like that. I really like that. Oh yeah, that's nice. Right in there. So we'll get that out. It's beautiful. Oh yeah. So anyways, have these ready to go pretty soon. That is really nice, really nice. I hope you enjoyed this video, and happy trails, everyone.